So good morning, gorgeous ones. Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry. You're getting all that glare from there. Okay, that's a little bit better from off my lights. Okay, so it's morning. Good morning. I don't know when you're watching this, but at this moment, it's 5:30 a.m. And I am up and getting ready on a Sunday morning. And y'all know that Sunday mornings, a lot of times, I do these videos. It's my thing, you know. It's my jam, as they say. It's my jam. So I'm finishing up getting my face together for the morning. I'm using this L'Oreal Age Perfect. I'm almost done. This rosy tone cream. This is a moisturizer, a day moisturizer. This is the thickest moisturizer I have ever seen in my entire life. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Okay, so yeah, I have this. I'm trying it out. I got it from Influencer. They sent it to me. And yeah, it's got this little pink tone to it. It's supposed to help your skin complexion, but I don't know if it's gonna help me because I don't think my skin complexion really needs a lot of help. But okay, whatever. I think my light is still off because I'm getting some shadows. What the hell? I did it just perfect before. Hold on, let me see. Can I adjust this a little more? Is that better? Is that better? It might be. I don't know. I gotta figure it out and then put a spot on my floor for now. Baby, lighting is the bane of most YouTubers' existence. Getting your lighting correct. That's big. That's big. See, like I'm feeling the shadow on the side, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. Y'all let me know. So anyway, good morning. As you can tell, this is a Ramble Fest, so we're going to let this sit on, and then we're going to do the last part of what I do every morning. But anyway, so it's the beginning of the year, so I want to just talk about a few things and, you know, chit-chat, you know. But I'm not doing a get ready with me. We just chatting sans makeup because it's early morning, even though I do put on makeup early morning. Y'all like, we're 2 minutes in, y'all, and I'm just rambling. Okay, that's why it's called the Ramble. Okay. Maybe that's what you want to call it in 2019, the Ramble with Lulu. All right, so this is what's in my head, and I like to share these things. I've been really having a hard time filming, and I don't know why. It's like the content that it's like these last few days or week or so, I just can't get it together. I know what I want to do. I have a list of videos, and I'm working on my idea list, but I've filmed a few things and I don't like them. I try to do another IG tutorial, so I have to do that over again. And I really want to try to do those because they kind of are popular and people do view them. So I want to get, really work on those and really put some effort in them and, my other IG stuff. And then on the YouTube side, I know I did a lot of stuff last month because it was, December. But I do have a certain amount of content I like to get out every week. I mean, I didn't go on live. I didn't go live for a week and stuff. And I don't know. It was just like I was feeling. And look, I just couldn't come up with anything. It wasn't that I was burnt out. I was tired. I think my anemia, my iron is low. That's bothering me. But it was just like I just could not think of anything. I couldn't think of anything to talk about. When I tried to, and I had ideas, they just like didn't look good to me, so I scrapped them. And so that's where I'm at right now. I got some things that are coming out this week, like, there'll be something, because this is going to come out Sunday morning, and there'll be something coming out Sunday afternoon, which is so crazy because I haven't put out anything, but hey, that's the way I roll. Because these are always unedited, and I just kind of throw them out there so y'all can just see, and so I wanted to talk though about this, my planner, but and some things, and I gotta write this down in my planner. Okay, so I wanted to show you all my planner of the year because this is this time of year, everybody's getting their planners. We're trying to be more organized. I'm not a resolution person, but I do try to do things better every year. I try to grow and take away from the year before and see where, that's what we should do. We should look at ourselves objectively, critically, and say, okay, this is where I am, this is what I'm doing, this is where I need to improve. Maybe I need, we just need to be real with ourselves. And that should be done all the time, because no one is perfect, and that's just the way it is. Okay, so anyway, I've been talking about this, but I really wanted to talk about it in a video. So here we go. This is my law of attraction planner. Now, I love it. It's this rose gold. That was automatically why I wanted it. I loved it. And on the front, it's you see the astrology. Now, that's not for everybody. I know they have other ones that do not have this design, but this design spoke to me. This is by a company called Freedom Mastery. And I got it on Amazon. You can look on my link in the description box, and you will see it's on my Amazon page. Hey, and speaking of my Amazon page, if you are on my Amazon page and you haven't looked at it recently, click it, because they now have a thing called follow on there, and it will update you when I put new products on there. And the thing with my Amazon page is that I only put products on there that I actually own and have tried. So I just don't throw stuff on there. I have to have used it. I'm not trying to like throw all the stuff on there and get some affiliate money from it just because, but it's actually stuff that I've bought and I like. So that's what I wanted to say about it. So, like, I need to fill it up, because we know I got a lot of makeup I could be putting on there. So, that I wanted to just let you all know that's the thing. That's the thing. So anyway, here is this planner. And the reason why I want to talk about it, because I normally get a planner every year. I'm not the best with a planner, but I do try. And, it's the basic planner. It's got, the month. It'll have the weeks. It'll have, extra space and everything. And I've always gotten basically the same type of planner every year. It's like my style. Now, I am not a planner person. I'm not obsessed with them. I didn't know it was a thing, y'all. I just was getting my planner every year. I did not know it was a thing. I didn't know there was stickers and there were conventions and there's a whole community of them. I had no idea. I didn't know about this world, and I'm not going to get sucked into it. I'm not going to get sucked into it. Because I often wonder, if you're planning all this stuff, are you doing it? I just need to know, all these planners people, are you doing it? Is the planning coming to fruition? That's all I want to know. Okay. But anyway, this one in particular, I saw it and I was like, oh snap. And then when I got it, it was even better than I thought. So like, it has like even in the beginning, it has quotes, which of course is this Gandhi quote, keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. And this is a quote by Gandhi. And so, when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness. And I'm going to be honest with y'all. I think everybody should try this one. If you're serious about trying to work on things, this is like the best planner ever to like get your life in order. This is the best planner. I mean, because most planners, it's a lot that you're doing yourself. This is very guided. This is a very guided planner. It has, instructions. It has things that you need to be doing. Like here it has in the beginning, my life statement, how I would love my life to be, my vision statement, how I want to contribute to this world. I got to finish this. And things like that. And then it has like, law of attraction roadmap, what you're supposed to be doing to get to the place that you're trying to get to. And I think that's one of the things that sometimes we miss. We're planning, but we don't really have that roadmap and everything. And so like, this is so wonderful. It has questions to empower your day. It has like things to go, evening power questions to go over your day. I mean, it has so much stuff. It has affirmations in it. It has action steps to take care of yourself. It has so much. And then they also give you some tools that like once you get it, you can go on their website and to really help you like flesh out what you're doing. And then it has all these things that you should be doing, and life questions, talking about your goals, maps, it's just full. And when I was like, oh my God, this is just awesome. And so it has your goals, you know, what goals you want to work on, your journey, which I got to finish up, you know, and the thing is, it's a lot in it. You can be overwhelmed. So just do it at your leisure, at your pace, as opposed to trying to like rush and do it and get like the beginning part done. Like this, you know, this is the beginning of it before you even get into it. But I'm just like working my way through it as opposed to rushing myself. And so then it has your life statement. I got to work on that, you know, because I really want to really think about things. And it has strategy, skills, habits, people, things that I need to do, habits I want to change, skills I want to master, everything. You can like be listing everything, because I think if you do all that, it forces you to really think about what you're doing. Because sometimes we have these goals and we want something, but we haven't thought about the smaller pieces to get to those goals. And that's where I lack. I'm a big picture person. And it's in the details where you get things done. You know, that's just the deal. So it's like chunking your bigger goals into smaller goals for daily action plans, things like that. So I'm really loving it. And then, you know, you have your month, and then it has, you know, just your month. And this month I didn't do as well on here, and I've got to really work on this and and things like that. And I haven't been doing some of the stuff that I'm supposed to be doing on here. So I've gotten into this. Was this the first real week? No, this is the second week. Yeah, this is the second week. So I'm, you know, I got 52 weeks I'm working on. I'm a work in progress. We are all works in progress. So, and then this is the thing that's really freaking awesome. At the end of the month, reflect on your month. It's like this whole reflection on your month and talk about celebrate my top 10 achievements. What did I learn this month? Distractions, mental blocks, fears, really going through what you did. And I'm really going to have to go through this because I'm having some obstacles, and I don't know why. So I gotta be real with myself and really think them through. And I kind of know why. But I got to get past the hump and really just, you know, go with the flow and figure it out. And so I wanted to share it because I think this is like just the most awesome. And then it has space for your ideas and notes for the month. I mean, it's really a very thorough planner. I mean, yeah, you can get it has some stickers and stuff. So, you know, today, I think I'm going to spend some time, give it some time and really, you know, get with myself and do some work in it. And I'm trying to like every day give it a little work, you know, to make sure that I'm staying focused, and look at what I'm supposed to be doing and say, okay, Wayne, get your stuff together, get it together, put some stuff on there. What are you doing? And so I think that's where I gotta really, really push myself to do. And so this is the beginning, you know, like even just doing this video, and I got another video I did. It's okay. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling like, you know, I kind of know what I'm feeling, but do I want to articulate it? What the hell? Let's articulate it. It's like, you know, it's the driving force of YouTube is the views. And it's like, well, maybe I need to rethink my content because I really don't get that many views. I don't know. Maybe it's my tagging. I got to figure it out. Is it is my SEO off? Do I need to do better thumbnails? You know, you sit in your head and you try to figure it out. Like, okay, so do I need to do better thumbnails? Am I tagging these things right? You know, maybe just I'm boring as fuck. You know, be honest. Maybe people like, bitch, shut up. We really don't want to hear from you. We don't care what you have to say. And so that is those moments that, you know, you have to think it through. And I think that's kind of like my stumbling block now, is that I'm thinking everything is like, sucks. Oh, this light. I ain't used to this light in my eyes, y'all. It's killing me. I forgot how bright this damn light is right here. Hold on just a second. Let me drink some water. Okay, sorry, y'all. I gotta drink some water. Okay, so yeah. I mean, that's the driving force of YouTube. And when you don't get a lot of views and things, you going, well, maybe my content needs to be tweaked, maybe this, maybe that. You look at your things with this, like, you know, and you should be looking at your content with a critical eye. And that's the thing. You have to be honest with yourself. And it's like, maybe my content isn't that great. Maybe, you know, for the people who watch me, fine, but clearly it's not something that draws people in and has them go, yes, let's talk about her, let's hang out with her. It's clearly not doing that. But I don't know if it's based on, and maybe I really need to deep dive into my analytics and try to figure out what the disconnect is on it. What am I doing wrong? You know, I know that I am not the most on topic thing, on trend. You know, like I don't necessarily rush out anymore and buy the newest product so I can be one of the first people. And to be quite honest, even when I've done that, I haven't gotten a lot of views, so it didn't matter. So that's why it's like, well, you know, what's the point of that for me? I mean, just being real. I don't, you know, based on the timing, I just don't get that. And so I, you know, I said I will bop along and do my thing, which is, you know, how I do things. But maybe I shouldn't be doing that. Maybe I should find a trend that's really popular and do it. Maybe I should be doing more tags. Maybe I should start doing challenges, like, you know, putting on my makeup with a balloon or putting on my makeup with a sock puppet. I don't know, you know, maybe that's what I should be doing, you know, because then maybe that'll get people to watch. Maybe that's what people want to see. I have no idea. So yeah, that's where I am on that. And so this is going to help me with it. It's going to help me go through some, maybe I have some blockages. Maybe I'm dealing with, you know, some things that internally that I need to work through in order to be better at what I'm doing on here, on this platform, because it is part of my goals. And then I also have some other things that I want to work with in conjunction with this and see if that's a good fit for me, which is something that I was talking about recently. I took it down. So I got to work on that because I do have a window of time that I have to get a certain amount of work product out for that. Yeah, so that's where I'm thinking, and that's where I am on these things. And yeah, I need to work on that this week. Yeah, but that's what I got to do. Okay, so I have to. Okay, I'm sorry, I was talking to myself on camera. Don't mind me. Yeah, so I gotta, you know, start putting those things in place. So yeah, this is the Ramble Fest, and I don't know, maybe yeah, I'm gonna put it up because I don't like to edit and I don't like to not be honest and, you know, just who I am. And so this is the Ramble, Lulu. This is the, what are we calling it? I just said it in here someplace. I have to find what I called it and put it in the description. It's early in the morning, y'all. Please forgive me. All right, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. See you later.